Okay, good morning class. Okay, nice to see you again. Okay, this is teacher Chim. I am your science teacher. Okay, today we are going to study about the animals. Okay, so but before that, okay, we're going to study first our new words and vocabulary that we can find it in our textbook. Okay, please eyes on the board. Okay, I have the 10 new vocabularies here. Okay, so please listen. Okay, listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first word is survive. Again, one more time. Survive. Okay, next, herbivores. Herbivores. Third one, carnivores. Carnivores. Next, omnivores. Omnivores. Number 5, grains. Grains. Caterpillars. Caterpillars. Breath, breath. Aquatic, aquatic. Temperature, temperature. Then is gills, gills. Again, one more time. Number 1 is survive. Again, very good. Number 2, herbivores. Again, okay. Next, number 3, carnivores. Okay, good. Number 4, omnivores. Okay. Grains. Caterpillars. Breath. Aquatic. Temperature. And the last one is gills. Okay, don't forget to write it in your science notebook. Okay, next. Okay, so next is, okay, animals has been categorized according to their food, according to what they eat, right? Okay, so there are 3, okay, classifications of animals according to their food. Okay, the first one is herbivore. Okay, herbivore animal. What is herbivore animal? Okay, what is herbivore animal? Anybody? Okay, so herbivore means animals they eat plants only. Okay, this animal eat only plants. Okay, example. Can you give me an example of herbivore animal or animals that eat plants? Okay, horse. Good. What else? A zebra. Okay, a zebra eat only grass. What else? Cow, sheep, goat. These animals we called a herbivore animals because they are only eat plants. Do you understand? Okay, next. Herbivores, next classification is carnivore. Okay, we say carni is a Latin word means meat. Okay, what is carnivore? What animals? Examples of carnivore. Okay, so carnivore, animals that eat meat. Okay, animals that eat meat or other animals as their food. Okay, so when you say carnivore, they are only eat meat and other animal. Example, a snake. A snake likes to eat a small other animals like rats, mice, okay, na frogs. Okay, this snake is we call as carnivore. Example, a lion. Okay, what else? Tiger. Okay. What else? Crocodile. Okay. These animals we call as a carnivores. It means they are only eat meat and other animals. Okay, next, number 3 is omnivores. Okay, omnivores means animals that eat plants and other animals. It means it's animals that both human we consider as an omnivores because we eat plants, fruits, as well as we eat meat. Okay, so what are the examples of the omnivores animals? Like birds. Okay, birds eat small worms and sometimes eat plants as well. Chicken. Okay, chicken is an omnivorous. Rat, duck. Okay, so these animals we call as an omnivorous because they are eat both plants and meat. You understand? Okay, the 3 categories are herbivore. Okay, again, the first one is herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. People, human belong to omnivore. Do you understand? Again. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Please take note these 3 category of animals. Okay. Next. Okay, so what basic needs of animals and humans? So we need what our basic need. We have our own basic needs. Like what? What are our basic needs? Without this, human will be die, animals will be die, even plants as well. So we have our basic needs like what? Example, food, water, air is our basic needs. Okay, so look at this. The children, okay, a girl, what does a girl doing? Huh? What does a girl doing? A girl is feeding her dogs. A dog needs food in order to stay alive, in order to grow. So that's why a little girl feeds her dog every day. Not only food, but a little girl gives as well water. Do you understand? Okay, so human, okay, as well, human need as well our basic needs. Okay, humans and animals need food to survive. To survive means in order to stay alive. So we need food to survive. Without food, try to think, one day you did not eat anything. Do you have still energy to do something? No. Okay, so we can eat at least 3 times a day. But sometimes people likes to eat twice a day. Nah? Okay, so what are the other needs of humans and animals for survival aside from food? What do we need? Water, shelter, what else? And air. Okay, now aside from food, so these are the very important part of our life. So, okay, let's find out. Okay, needs of animals. What are the basic needs of animals? Needs of pets. When you see pets, means animals that we raise in our house. Okay, so list the things that your pets need. Compare your list with your friends. What are the similar things that pets need? Example, yeah, you need to compare. Example, A and B. She has a dog. B, she has a cat. So can you compare what your pet needs? Do you think is the same needs of the cat and dog? Okay, so there are a few things that animals need in order to stay alive and grow well. They need food, okay, food, water, and air. Okay, so now animals need food, water, and air. So without this, they will die. Okay, yes, of course. Without that, they will die. Same with us. So these three things are so very important. Okay, so animals need food. Food gives them energy to do their daily activities. No? Example, a cow. Okay, a cow before you are a farmer, you likes to use a cow to cultivate their farm. So a cow needs also food in order that he have an energy to do an activities. Okay, so these are some animals eat plants only. They are also known as a herbivore. Okay, these animals are herbivores because herbivores eat what? Eat ice cream? No, eat plants only. Okay, these are an example of herbivore animals. A horse eats grass. Okay. Do you think horse need water as well? Yes, of course. A panda eats bamboo. Okay. A panda eats bamboo. A butterfly feeds on nectar from a flower. Okay, but nectar, all flowers have their own nectar. So a butterfly uses to suck flowers to get nectar as its food. Okay, a tortoise eats plants. Okay, again, a horse eats grass. A panda eats bamboo. A butterfly feeds on nectar from a flower. A tortoise eats leaves. These animals need food in order to have energy to do their daily activities. So these animals we call as herbivores. Okay, next. So after herbivores, what's the next category? Category is we call as carnivores. Carne means meat. Okay, so what animals? Okay, these are examples of carnivore animal. Likes to feed herself from the smaller animals or meat. Okay, example. A crocodile eat chicken. Not only chicken. Crocodile eat everything. As well as eat human too. So, crocodile is a carnivore. Okay, next, a lion eats deer. Okay, a lion likes to eat deer, serve as its food. An owl eats mice. Okay, an owl eats mice. Okay. A praying mantis eats insects. Okay, now these are animals that we can consider as carnivores because they like to eat meat and other animals. Okay. Next, aside from carnivores, next is the omnivores. Omnivores means eat both plants and other animals. Okay. One examples are a monkey eats fruits, vegetables, and insects. So monkey is an omnivore animal. A pig eats meat, grains, and vegetables. So a pig has examples of omnivore. omnivores. Chicken, okay. Chicken, duck, rats are examples of omnivores animal. Okay. Okay na? 3 na. Herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Okay. So, animals need water. The first thing we discussed about the food. The second is need water. Living things need water. Water helps their body to function properly. It helps to regulate their body temperature. It also helps in the transportation of nutrients and waste materials in their body. So that's why not only animals, but we need to drink 8 glasses of water in a day so that it helps to regulate our body temperature and it helps to transport some vitamins, nutrients to all parts of our body. Okay, so these are examples of some animals. Okay, they needs also water. A herd of elephants drink from a river. Okay na? Some wild animals likes to find some rivers, ponds, lake, creek in order to drink water. Okay. A bird drinks from a throw. Okay na? Birds like to drink a throw or a pond or a lake. A tiger drinks from a river as well. Okay na? A tiger drinks from a river. Bears drink from a river. Okay, now it means wild animals like to drink water from the river. But pets, animals is sometimes they like some their owner of the pets likes to give water to them. Okay, so next. In other words, pets depends only. Okay, some animals do not drink from a direct source of water. Okay, not only some animals, they are not directly going to the pond, lake, creek, river to drink water, but some of them are get their water supply from the food they eat. Because the food that they eat also contains water, so they don't need to go to the river to drink water. Like example, caterpillars, kangaroo, rats, and koalas get their water supply from the food they eat. So caterpillars like to eat leaves, so some leaves contains water. Kangaroo rat as well likes to eat fruits. Some fruits have water. And koala as well. Koala eat leaves and fruits. The same thing with kangaroo rat and caterpillar. They don't need to go down to the creek to drink water because the food they are eating contains of water. Okay, now water. Next, after water, what's the next? Okay, so animals need air to breathe. Air. So we need air to breathe. So food, water, and the last basic need is air. Animals need air to breathe. They breathe in oxygen. Okay, now oxygen, same as breathe oxygen, release carbon dioxide. Okay, oxygen to generate energy from the food they eat. Animals on land get their air directly from the atmosphere. Same, these animals directly from the atmosphere. They breathe in air through their nose and their lungs. They like to breathe through their nose and their lungs. Okay. Example, the lion can breathe air through its nose. A duck breathes air through its nose. Okay, you understand? Okay, so most aquatic animals get their air supply from the water with their gills. Okay, what is aquatic animal? Do we see aqua means water. So it means they spend their life on water. Okay, they breathe through their gills, and some of them breathe through their lungs. Okay, so however, some aquatic animals such as seals, whales, and dolphins do not have gills but lungs. Seal, whales, dolphins, they don't have gills to breathe in the water, but they have lungs in order to stay longer in water. It means they can stay in water or on land. Okay, both, because they are using their lungs to breathe in water or under water. So they need to resurface to get air. They can stay in the water without breathing for a long period. Okay, they can stay in water without breathing for a long period. Why some whales like to breathe sometimes on water? Because they are not staying all the time under water. Okay, example. Okay, these are seal. Okay, seal likes to breathe, get air from the surface of water. Whale and dolphins. Okay, these animals are aquatic, but they can stay in water, or in the surface of water. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Okay, so if we have pets at home, we need to ensure that it gets its basic needs. How do you do that? Okay, look at the cat and the dog. We need to give proper food to our pets. We need to give proper food to our pets. They also need clean water for drinking. They also need clean water for drinking. Okay, this is birds, so we need to take care of our pets. We must to give them a proper food and water. Okay, next. So for your homework, okay, I'll discuss first. Okay, so look at your workbook. Okay, now try to review what I have been discussed a while ago. Okay, so this is an examples or as a recap for our class. Okay, workbook. Okay, basic needs of animals. Try to read this. Okay, because some of the answer is in your workbook. Okay, animals want water, air in order to stay. Okay, you need to. Okay, so this is okay, homework. Okay, your homework is on page. Okay, page 5. What do animals need to stay alive? Color the correct answer. Okay, what animals need to stay alive? What are you need to color and only color the correct answer, not all these pictures. What animals need to stay alive? There are 6 choices, but you must choose only the correct answer and color it. Do you understand? And B, fill in the blanks. Okay, B, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, you can use choose your answer in your workbook. Do you understand? Okay. And we will only one, right? Okay, I think I have 2 homework. Okay. Page 6, 5 and 6. Okay, write A, B, C to group the animals below according to they eat. Okay, so we need to write only a letter. A means herbivore, means animals eat plants. B means carnivore, animals eat meat. C, omnivores eat both plants and meat. You need to write only the letter, not the word. After that, color it. Color. Color. Do you understand? Okay, homework, page 5 and page 6. Okay, thank you and see you again next meeting. Okay. Bye.